Okay, here's my microprocessor, which I've had on eBay for a little while. A few people have asked if it works before they bid on it, and I finally got myself a suitable power supply, so let's give it a test run. Okay, microprocessor 1. The way that you operate these things is you call up your address. Let's call up address 1800, and currently in the address is opcode F9. If we want to change that, we hit data and change it to 30. Then to go to the next address, 1801, we press the plus key and we can put in another opcode, 05, plus key moves to the next address. We'll put in the opcode 06, next address 1803, and the opcode 04. So it all seems to be working. So if we go backwards through our addresses, 1800, 30, 05, 06, 04, yep. I'd say this is a fully functioning machine. So if you've been holding back on bidding on it, go for it. It's on eBay at the moment. It's the last one. I had two of these, but this is the first one sold, and this is the second one. So if you've been looking for one of these microprocessors, go for it.